Welcome friends. As you can see, I am back to Autodesk Revit from Revit Structure. Here is one model. I'll open that up, which is empty right now. And in this tutorial, we'll be creating a model and then have a 3D view on that. So first of all, let's create one. I'll select wall and I'll start drawing a wall. As you can see, we are very zoomed in. So I'll just try to zoom out a little bit and then create it. I want accurate dimensions, and for that I'll type 100 and it will give me 100. That's it. At a 90 degree I want 70. Hit enter and it's 70. Again at 90 degree I want 100 and here it is. Now here we want 10 at 90 degree. I set my direction and type 10 and it is there. Right click and click cancel. I want to draw from here at 90 degree, 10, enter, cancel again. So this is what I need actually. Now I want to add a round wall out here, and the way we do that is you select this start and radius arc. If you hover over there, you can see a little tooltip over there. We'll select it. We'll click both the ends, and now you can see it has actually created that for us. We'll cancel it and click on the modify button, and we'll return to our normal mouse arrow. So this is the structure that we have created. Let us zoom in and zoom out to take it to the perfect view. Now remember a little default 3D view over there. Let's click on that, and as you can see, it gives us a preview of how the structure will look like in 3D. It will give us a nice little default 3D view. Here, when I click on this box, it says click to drag. I can see a little pivot over there, and using which we can view the different sizes. By dragging our mouse, we can look at our structure from various views. Now click here and take camera. Let's say you're standing here and you want to have a look at this particular site. Click it and there you go. So this is the exact view of that particular site from the selected location. I'll close it. Here you'll find various views and display options like realistic, which is currently selected. Select it to consistent colors, shaded, hidden line, and wireframe. So these are different displays. We'll select fine and make it realistic, and this is it. Let us save our file. So this is how you can create a model and have a look at its 3D display. Thank you.